Well, hello there, and let me just say, this is gonna be an interesting tea time. What is up? I am Fantom Pack Dave, and this is a prequel to Tea Time, followed by Unfiltered Thoughts, followed by Conversations with Alex. And let me just say, if you're not following, you should be. If you like deep, weird, interconnected thought about the world being a parallax of perception and time, then it might be for you. But if not, I don't know. What do we talk about? I don't know. Watch a Tea Time and find out. Get into it. See you later. You know what I should have told you right there? I should have ended it with, when this microwave closes, that's when tea time begins. So if you want to see or hear what happens after this microwave closes, or what has happened within the microwave's magnetron circulating for 2.5 minutes, I don't know. Do you got the time? Because it's tea time. Like and subscribe.